Hi guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. If your games are lagging or not running smoothly, just follow these simple steps to boost your FPS and performance. So let's get started. First step, click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to Gaming and click on Game Mode. Make sure Game Mode is turned on. This helps Windows focus system resources on your game. Second step, press Windows plus X and click Power Options. Select High Performance Power Plan. This allows your CPU and GPU to run at full speed while gaming. Third step, press Windows plus X and open Device Manager. Expand display adapters, right-click your graphics card and click Update Driver. You can also download the latest drivers from your GPU manufacturer's official website for better performance. Fourth step, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Close unnecessary apps running in the background that are using CPU or RAM. Fifth step, press Windows plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and press Enter. Go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance. Select Adjust for best performance and click OK. This disables extra animations and improves gaming performance. That's how you can optimize Windows 10 for gaming and get smoother gameplay.